So if they see many people make 7 figures, 6 figures online, and you've been wondering, how do I get started? There are basically 3 things you need, just 3 things you need to make money online super fast. Now, when I say super fast, I'm not looking at, usually before you make money, right? Just even in the physical world, like in the physical marketplace, there are basics, right? You do not just blow overnight. But the truth is, with the online platform, with online systems, it is possible for you to make money faster than the physical because everybody is now online, right? And all you need is just a smartphone. And of course, the other 2 that I'm going to be mentioning. So sit tight and let's get at it. And I'm sure if you're a serious-minded person, you can start even now, okay, against the beautiful year that is coming up. See you guys. Okay, so I said earlier, the number 1 thing you need is, of course, is a smartphone, right? Or any smart devices that can connect to the internet, okay? And then the second thing is a skill, not just any kind of skill, right? I know, imagine somebody who is going to learn programming right now, and it's a beautiful skill, of course, beautiful, top notch. It's one of the skills we use in our establishment, right? But the truth is, we're talking of super fast, like real fast, like you can start seeing results, even though the result of now will not be the result of the next 3 months, or will not be the result of the next 6 months, but you can start seeing significant results. And it's so simple. It's just a mindset, right? So the first thing I'm supposed to even talk about is your mindset. Your mindset needs to be right, okay? First of all, it's not magic. It's just hard work, dedication, focus, and consistency. What did I say? Consistency. That's the word. Consistency can take you from point A to point B in a very short time. Because remember, if you're consistent at a thing, and this is online, people will need to trust you. Okay? So one of the things that builds trust is consistency. Because most people who do bad businesses and the people who scam people and all that, of course, they just start. And once it's not, some of us have gotten certain calls, and in the call, it's like the person is in a hurry to get your PIN code, right? And if you don't give them, they're annoyed. And you know how they react. They curse you because they're expecting to get something from you. Okay, so and they will not always come to you, right? Because they know that you've understood the tricks. It's the same thing. So if you're something that is real, you see consistency in it, and that also drives a message to people, your audience, or people who are watching you. Okay, so consistency is very important, right? Among the other things I listed. So let's go back to the skills. One of the skills you need now is digital marketing. Okay, you need to reach out to people, and of course, there must be closure. So you have to close. Digital marketing is a broad ecosystem, is a broad scale. So for you to, we'll say super fast, to get focused and be distinctive, is basically for you to start with ads. Okay, and this most simplest one is the Facebook ads. Most simplest and very, very effective. You see that sometimes probably you don't even run ads, but this is what you get to see. People say, I'm interested, put me through, how do I get started, right? It's beautiful for people to come to you than for you to go to them. Do you understand? And that's what ads can do. And why I love ads, to be precise, Facebook ads, is that it's a skill that is needed anywhere in the world. And this, I teach this Facebook ads for free to my community members, okay? So there are links on the comment section. If you want to connect with me, you can connect with me super fast. But that is exactly what you need. You need a skill that can reach out to people. Like, you can expose your offer to people and then they get to you, right, with interest. You've moved from the cold leads and then to the hot leads, okay? Now, the other next one, which is also important, is a system. You need a system that you can drive that audience to, and a system that can scale, and a system that can pay you in USD. When I mean super fast, I mean something that once you get even one, it makes a lot of sense in your native currency, okay? Very clear, right? So imagine you starting, and then in the next, you're starting today, which is basically you're setting up, you're understanding the whole system and all that, and then next week you've done your first $50. You know what that means to you, right? And then you start growing from there. So you need a system, right, which can help you, channel those interests to, and then you earn from the system. Now, a system that can scale, and a system that is, when I say easily affordable, I mean people can jump on it easily, like this. Okay, all they need to do is for them to understand the system and understand the opportunity there is, and then they are on it, and then you start making money. Okay, so with these 3 skills, what are you waiting for? You need a smartphone, a smart device, you need a skill like the Facebook ads. To be precise, I'm very specific. I'm talking of making money instantly, like not like instantly, you understand what I mean, but on the go. You understand, on the go. And then you need a system. Okay, when I teach for free, I also show people the system to use, which is basically airdrop platform. Beautiful. Like it's so sweet, it's so easy that if you're very, very effective and you're consistent, you know what you're doing, right? You've made a decision which has to do with mindset. I remember I said that earlier. You should be getting significant results in the thousands of dollars. After all, we even have a 90-day challenge to do $10,000 and above. Okay, so if you're that person and you feel like you need help, of course you need mentorship and guidance, which is what we provide, or I provide personally. We're a team, but I see to it to mentor you in the digital marketing, to also introduce, and probably you're new in the airdrop ecosystem or the crypto ecosystem. You get free consultation and free access until you start making significant money. Then you can teach the next person, right? So we want to build an ecosystem that will help benefit the next person. We understand what the economy is saying. If we don't do anything, it's going to get bad and bad. So we need to do something and help the next person out there who've been behind the scenes, started to come out to give value back to the community. Do well to subscribe, click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to get these opportunities. And remember, share this, like, so that it can get to more persons. It's really important because we need to give value. We need more people to come into these opportunities so that we can have a better world. And thank you. I remain Coach Catch. See you on the next one. Peace out. Bye.